This tutorial will walk you through how to change the priority of a work request. So the first step is that I recommend turning on or showing the priority field in your maintenance console. You can do that by clicking Options, select Work Request Fields. Find the priority field within the Available Fields section and click Show. This will automatically add the priority field to the bottom of your visible fields list, which will put it way off to the right side in your maintenance console. I'd recommend moving this up so that you can see it somewhere closer to the front. So I'll move it up after problem type. Here we go, and click Update. So now you'll see the priority field has been added, and Archibus will save this setting for you moving forward, so you only need to do this once. So next, open up the Assigned to Work Order section, which will show you all of your new Archibus work requests that have come in but have not yet been scheduled or issued. You'll see there's a priority assigned to each work request. All work requests come in with a default priority of DM routine. Now, if you wish to change this, you open the work request and change the priority. You may not need to change the priority. You can come over to look at the work description first and click that if you need to expand it, if there's a lot of text, and make the determination. And maybe you decide, you know what, this is routine. If that's the case, just schedule and issue the work request as you do with all other work requests. If, however, you decide this requires a different priority level, such as emergency, urgent, or planned, cancel out of the work description and click the work request code to open it. Then expand the More Information section and scroll down, and you'll see different priorities are available now. So you can change this if you decide perhaps this is actually an emergency request and we want to complete it within 24 hours. So change it from DM routine to DM emergency and click Update Request. You'll see a warning saying that this request is going to be returned to the beginning of the workflow, so click OK. The maintenance console reloads, and you'll see that the priority of this work request has now changed to DM emergency. Now you can proceed to process this request as you normally would. Click Schedule, assign a craftsperson, and then click Issue. Thanks for watching.